Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm here at Jurong West Central 1. We are seeing a 5-room design and build apartment at block 693. With just a short walk away to one of Singapore's largest suburban malls, located in the vibrant heart of Jurong West. Jurong Point is a bustling hub for residents and visitors. This mega mall offers everything for you, whether you are here to shop, dine, or simply explore. Conveniently connected to the Boon Lay MRT station and bus interchange. Come, let's take a look at the unit. Now, we are making our way to the flat that has a balanced lease of 72 years. As you step into the flat, the hall is large with an open design. It has living dining, 3 bedrooms, a balcony, study, a kitchen with yard, 2 bathrooms, and a storeroom. The hall is covered with tiles and is connected to an exceptional rounded balcony. It offers sufficient space for hosting gatherings with families and friends. The master bedroom has an attached bathroom, and the bedrooms have squarish layouts which are easy for furnishing and decor. If you have large family members, extended family, or need extra space for children, the study can be transformed into an additional room. As you enter the kitchen, it has a row of bottom cabinets for storage and connected to a yard for laundry. Finally, this 123 square meter flat offers a generous living space and is conveniently located near transportation, a mega mall, essential amenities, and schools, making it an excellent choice for families seeking for spacious comfort and a lifestyle that prioritizes convenience in Jurong West. Therefore, if you're interested in experiencing life in Jurong community, please give me a call for viewing today. I will see you in the next video.